I was an Il Molino. A Soto, just talking women and vino. The contract like 91 Dan Marino. I swear this guy Michael Rapino's boosting my ego. Overly focused, it's far from the time to rest now. Debates growing about who they think is the best now. Took a while, got the jokers out of the deck now. I'm holding all the cards and niggas wanna play chess now. I hear you talking, say it twice so I know you meant it. Fuck it, I don't even tend it, they should know's in it. I'm authentic, real name, no gimmicks, no game, no scrimmage. I ain't playing with you niggas at all. My classmates, they went on to be chartered accountants or work with their parents, but thinking back on how they treated me. J's on my feet, you know it. J's on my feet, you know it. J's on my feet, you know it. So get like me. J's on my feet, you know it. J's on my feet, J's on my feet. So get like me.
I be in the club, standing on the couch, in the wolf gray, like it's my house. Drinking out the bottle, I got no respect. Looking like a model, who just got a check. I back it up, cause I don't give a fuck.
I see now, though. If you want to come in for an early shake up or something like that, this is the time to come in.
A good time, right?
This is the time to come in because you might get in.
Feel good? Feel good?
Alright, y'all.
How you good? Come on. Yo, see y'all later, man. Alright. You right?
I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. How to make a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? How to make a few bands on the walk through. How to make a few bands on the walk through. People don't know now, I don't talk to. Me and Parliament in the big, he a boss too. Sitting at the round table making balls move. I don't walk through with Gucci on my feet. Who got more money, you or me? I'ma walk through usually with my nigga, better believe that I got the tool on me. I done smoked past security. What the fuck do you need glasses just to see me? When I'm coming full speed, got that V12 running, and I'ma jump the fence if I see 12 coming, even if I walk.
Thank you for coming out. What's up?
Thanks for coming out.
You wanna hear a song? Not yet? Too early? All right.
Happy birthday, Sakai.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you been caught up.
I just want to keep a reminder, these tickets that's given out, you really need to hold them. So if your kids have a ticket, hold it for them. Them tickets. Please hold on to them tickets. Okay?
I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What are you so afraid of? Darling, you give, but you cannot take love.
Yeah, I needed to hear that shit. I hate when you're submissive, passive aggressive when we're texting. I feel the distance. I look around at peers that surround me. These niggas tripping. I like when money makes a difference, but don't make you different. Started realizing a couple places I could take it. I wanna get back to when I was that kid in the basement. I wanna take it deeper than money, pussy, vacation, and influence a generation that's lacking the patience. I've been dealing with my dad, speaking of lack of patience. Just me and my old man getting back to basics. We've been talking about the future and time that we wasted. When he put the bottle down, girl, that nigga's amazing. Well, Fuck it, we had a couple Coronas. We might have wrote a white paper, just something to hold us. We even talked about you in our couple of moments. He said we should hash it out like a couple of grown-ups. You a flower child, beautiful child, I'm in your zone. Looking like you came from the 70s on your own. My mother is 66, and the favorite line that hit me with is who the fuck wants to be 70 and alone? You don't even know what you want from love anymore. I search for something I'm missing and disappear when I'm bored. But girl, what qualities was I looking for before? Who you settling for? Who better for you than a boy, huh?
I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Thinking about Texas back when Portia used to work at Treasures, or further back than that before I had the Houston leverage. When I got summer on Michael Kors with my mama's debit, a week of tempered flex and I'll never forget it. Cause that night I played her 3 songs. Then we got to talking about something we disagreed on. Then she started telling me how I'd never be as big as Trey Songz. Boy, was she wrong. That was just negative energy for me to feed off. Now it's therapeutic, blowing money in the Galleria, a Beverly Center Macy's where I discovered Bria. Landmarks of the muses that inspire the music, when I could tell it was sincere without trying to prove it. The one that I needed was Courtney from Hooters on P.
That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Bill Walker, aka Not Nice from Time.
Put your hands in the air.
What's that on that beat?
Oh, nana. Look what you done started. Oh, nana. Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nana. I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, nana. If you keep shaking that. Oh, na na na. Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight. Oh, na na na. Keep your hands in the air if you're spending the night. Oh, na na na. Oh, na 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 na. Everybody say it like. Oh, na na na. Oh, na 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 na. Everybody say. Baby, I'm the one you like, yeah.